Misha from Macroblock. Now we're at ISE 2023 in Barcelona. I'm really excited to be here at Macroblock's booth. The theme of this year is Create the Reality. And this time, Macroblock showcases its brilliant driver ICs for XR LED display in virtual production. So let's welcome Cloud and Carrie. They will share the details with you.
Hi, I'm Cloud. We have launched the new generation SR LED display driver, MBI 5762, which combines the patented common-cathode driving technology and the new SR display features. To provide the HDR display performance at higher frame rate, up to 480 Hz, the display clock frequency will be up to 150 MHz. That will raise thermal consideration in the SR Studio. With the common-cathode technology and the dynamic power saving feature, 15 to 30% power consumption will be saved to reduce significant heat from the SR display system. The new SR display features PWM Enhancement Plus and Hypervision Calculation are boosting the visual refresh up to 7680 Hz at 16-bit HDR video. And these features also provide at least double visual refresh at low brightness. Equipped with Hypervision Calculation technology, MBI 5762 can bring more flexible parameter settings of current, amplitude, and duty cycle for users to adjust. Therefore, it can bring greatly optimized performance, not only higher visual refresh, but also great uniformity at low grayscale images. The newly smaller 64-pins QFN package will effectively help the PCB design through lower scans, such as 6 or 8 scans, for high-end SR need. The MBI 5764 will take you to the real world by the whole new SR engine. We built the standard for high-quality virtual production display, MBI 5264, with true 16-bit color depth and 4K refresh rate. Following the standard of the high-end SR display driver, MBI 5264, we push us to the limit to announce the new SR driver, MBI 5265, which supports higher output current 30 mA from the 20 mA, and 50% more pixels driving ability than MBI 5264, both with the same brightness, high color depth, and high visual refresh rate.
Hi, this is Carrie from Macroblock. Today, we have the symbolic XR ready driver, MBI 5262, provides high brightness and 16-bit grayscale for outdoor and XR ceiling displays. To have a full coverage 360 degree of XR Studio, a perfect major surrounding XR display should go with a high brightness ceiling display, which provides perfect simulation of natural light sources. Macroblock launches MBI 5262 with a high driving current up to 60 mA to support as high brightness as dozens of kilonits, and the same embedded PWM Enhancement Plus features to work with the major XR solutions driver IC, MBI 5264 and the MBI 5762 at the high video frame rates, fully surrounding XR Studio. As a leading supplier of mini and micro LED display driver IC, we introduced the high integration solution MBI58CC4 with 16 embedded power switches and 48 constant current channels to control 64 by 64 pixels LED matrix by merely 4 chips of MBI58CT4. MBI58CT4 provides 16-bit grayscale and 4K visual refresh rates in super fine pitch application, and the latest from 1 mm down to 0.4 mm pixel pitch. To contribute to the energy conservation, Macroblock invents the power-saving feature called Dynamic Plus Power Saving. If the driver IC doesn't display any content, the whole chip will enter hibernation mode by dynamic power saving. For example, if it can save 2/3 energy consumption in a black picture, if some channels of the driver IC don't display any content, the unused channels will enter suspension mode by dynamic plus power saving. It may save half energy consumption in this picture.
Cloud and Carrie just gave us a brief introduction of the newly launched LED display driver ICs at ISE 2023. We're so glad to meet you at exhibitions again in the post-COVID era. Don't forget to follow us on Macroblock's social media platforms and stay tuned for what is upcoming. See you next time. Bye! Today we are very happy to invite Mr. Oliver from KL Digital for the short interview, and he's the senior manager in charge of the LED department. So we have 2 questions for him. The first one, is there any image problem that you are facing when choosing an LED display?
Yeah, thank you for having me. In fact, as always, is most of the time the low brightness performance of an LED display the most challenging one. So regarding pictures with very low brightness levels, it's very important to have a decent grayscale performance of the driving IC and the LED display itself. So for the overall quality, I think this is one of the most important things to take a look at.
Yeah, thank you for answering. So glad to hear that. Okay, let's move on to the second questions. What do you think about common-cathode LED display market?
I think common-cathode, yeah, it's a very important technology at the moment because it's more important than ever. Energy saving is a big topic, and to reduce the power consumption of a whole LED display, you need to save costs, you need to save energy, and to improve the efficiency of an LED display, common-cathode is a good way to go for.